You want to upgrade your life, but you don't have time for a 10-hour course or a 77 steps to spare. I have got you covered. Here's your self-improvement crash course in under 1 minute, powered by real science, and it might just rewire your brain. Step 1. Change your inputs. Your brain is like wet clay. It literally reshapes itself based on what you feed it. If you scroll junk, you think junk. So start following creators who make you go, wait, that's interesting, not ugh. Why did I waste 20 minutes on this? Step 2. Hijack your dopamine. Dopamine isn't evil. It's just your brain's way of saying, yo, do more of that. So trick it. Reward yourself for tiny progress. Check a box. High five your reflection. Play your victory song after doing the thing. Step 3. Shift your identity. Don't say, I want to read more. Say, I'm a reader. The brain loves to act in sync with how you see yourself. You're not chasing goals. You're becoming someone new. Step 4. Lower the barrier. Make the good stuff stupidly easy. Want a journal? Leave your notebook on your pillow. Want to exercise? Sleep in your gym clothes. Remove excuses like a ninja. Step 5. Celebrate like you just won the Olympics. Why? Because every micro win trains your brain to want the process. Repetition plus emotion equals habits that stick. That's it. 5 brain hacks. Pick one and do it today. Not tomorrow. Not when you feel like it. Today. And if this hit you in the neurons, hit subscribe and drop your tiny win in the comments.